Start to finish, setting up a Vanguard account, here we go. If you want to know why, hang out till the end of the video and I'll tell you all the important reasons why you should set up a Vanguard account. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is pull up your web browser. For me, I use the Brave browser. I'm going to go ahead and type in Vanguard, and I'll show you why it's confusing to set up a Vanguard account for many new people. So if you went ahead and selected Vanguard mutual funds and you select this site, it's actually very confusing because I can't find anywhere here to make an account. So this is not where I want you to start. I want you actually to go to Google, type in Vanguard, and then click on log in. Even though you don't have an account, I want you to click log in. From here, you'll see username, password, and then at the bottom, sign up for online account access. That's what I want you to click. So click on that button. From here, it's going to ask you some questions, enter personal information and verify identity. So we're going to hit, there's a cancel and a start. We're going to hit start. Terms and condition of use, read through this. I've already read them, I'm gonna accept. Go ahead and type in your first name, last name, social security number, birth date, and zip code, and then hit continue. I'm gonna do that now. Tap continue. So obviously it's not going to let me fill this information out again because I already have an account and it's tied to your social security number. But after you fill this out, tap continue. It'll bring you to the create username and password stage. Go ahead and follow those instructions and create your username and password. And then next, it'll have you set up security features. Okay, now that you've gone ahead and set up your username and password, you'll want to check your email. I'm pretty sure they sent you a confirmation link, so go ahead and go to your email, click on your confirmation link for Vanguard. After you finish that, go back to the Vanguard landing page and we're going to go over the next steps, which is getting into your account. All right, you've already gone to your email, you clicked the confirmation code, go back to your web browser and go ahead and type in Vanguard again. Go ahead and click log in. Now that you have credentials to log in, go ahead and log in to Vanguard. So this is your homepage of your Vanguard account. You'll see here that I already have some assets in here. You're not going to have anything in there when you start a fresh account. So you'll see there's balances, holdings, activity, performance, and asset mix. But what you'll want to do first is probably add a bank so you can go ahead and add some money to your Vanguard account. So go ahead and click Add Bank. From the Add Bank screen, you'll see here that you can easily find this information if you already have a check. So you'll want to enter in your routing information, account number, and then you can describe the personal owners of the account. So you and your wife, or you and your husband, or you and your significant other. And then go ahead and click continue, and this will take you through the steps of linking your bank account to your Vanguard account. After you've completed all of that, you'll have a screen like this that shows up, which shows you which banks that you've already linked to your account. There might be another step where they deposit a small amount of money into your account and then they withdraw a small amount, and you'll have to confirm how much money they deposit and withdraw. So follow your email instructions from Vanguard to make sure that your account gets linked up. After you've linked your bank account, you can go back to My Account, Account Overview. After you've connected your bank account to Vanguard, I would advise you to set up automatic investing. That way you don't forget to pay yourself at the beginning of each month. From this screen, it asks you to select an account to invest to, and we only have one account here, which is our brokerage account, so go ahead and select that. From here, we're going to move money from bank account and then select the bank account that you've already linked to your Vanguard account. Frequency, for me, I use every month. I do an automatic investment, and then you can say until, and you can list a stop time. For me, I'm going to do this indefinitely, and then the total amount that you want to invest. So you can, you're just gonna say, I stop this plan because you don't want it to stop randomly. Go ahead and invest a certain amount. So whether that be a couple $100 a month, whatever you've worked out for yourself. For me, I advise somewhere around 20 to 30% of your income at a minimum that you want to pay yourself into your Vanguard account. So go ahead and type your amount in there. And then down here, it asks you to invest, which account you would like to invest into. And then down at the bottom, it'll ask invest to these funds, you'll see here that I have Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX, and that is the account that I actually recommend that you set up. Okay, from your Vanguard homepage by My Accounts Account Overview, go ahead and click there. This is like your home page. From here, you'll want to click on Holdings. And then down here, you'll see I already have some accounts, but yours should be empty. And you'll want to click Transact here. Go ahead and click Transact by Vanguard Funds. All right, from this screen, you'll go ahead and want to click on this button to add another Vanguard account. I already have some listed here, but you're not going to have anything populated there. Go ahead and type in VTSAX. You'll see that it's a $3,000 minimum, but it's worth it because the dividends are reinvested, and that if you don't have $3,000, just keep saving up into your account until you have enough money to put into your minimum. Okay, so go ahead and click on your VTSAX, and from here, it says I already have that account, but if you don't, so go ahead and select it, and then select how much money you wish to allocate into that account. Tap Continue, and then it'll ask you where that money is coming from, which you'll select your bank, and then click Continue. All right, now that you've completed your first transaction into VTSAX, I recommend that you go down to Set Up Automatic Investing, and this is gonna make your life easier. So you can have it go from your brokerage account to automatically from your bank account tell you how much money you're going to invest automatically each month. So for me, I already have this set up. Decide how much money you want to put in that will not sink your bank account. So for me, it's about 20 to 30% of whatever I make. I feel comfortable putting that into my VTSAX account for investment. I advise you to invest at least 20 to 30% or whatever you feel comfortable with. Not financial advice, but it's important to go ahead and invest in yourself. So go ahead and set this all up and then tap Continue. And then you're all done. So now every month, it's gonna go ahead and automatically invest that amount that you allocated into your VTSAX account. You don't have to worry about it or think about it or do anything. Remember, it's important to allow that money to compound and make those compounding returns. We're thinking about 10, 15, 20, 30 years down the road, this money accumulating into a large sum for your retirement. All right, so why Vanguard? Vanguard because it has the lowest fees out of any portfolio investments firm out there on the market. And at 0.02% for VTSAX, that's the lowest you're gonna find. And every little percentage matters, and that's gonna be thousands upon thousands of dollars when you retire. So that's why Vanguard. Why VTSAX? VTSAX because it earns around 8 to 12% per year consistently, and it's over 3,500 stocks in a large cap growth fund, meaning you get to own a small slice of all of these different companies. And rather than stock picking and hoping that one explodes up, even if some companies fail, the total stock market index allows you to average those returns and make money consistently. And reason number 3, you'll see in this video here, I outlined some important information for why VTSAX and how you can retire wealthy. And reason number 4, check out this book, A Simple Path to Wealth. I also did a brief 5-point discussion on A Simple Path to Wealth, so please check that out as well. Hopefully you found this information useful. Please comment down below if you have any other suggestions for upcoming videos, or if you have any comments about today, or if you have any questions you'd like me to go over. All right, thank you. Everyone have a great day.